Firstly, the wheel wall. There is the input tower, which has a base, the main unit, similarly the outlet side, and 15 straights of rainbow colours and a washing line. First stage is to assemble the towers. The bases are symmetrical, so they go around either way. Side. The easiest way to get the screw in is to put the head of the screw against the diagonal. First stage is to fix the towers to the model. Inlet tower fits this side and the outlet tower this side, with obviously the outlet and the space for the straights going in between. Then this fits in with the towers in place. We can now add the straights, starting at the bottom with the plain white one, which goes on the bottom side here, and I need a little press to put in place. Then the two transparent. Now, to hold the top of the towers together, we fit the washing line. Note that there is the tangs on the end stick down on one side, and that wants to go down. Stretch it across like that.